CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped at Pana, Illinois. Yes, it definitely want to say hello to everyone in Pana, Illinois. We made a quick stop here. It also says welcomes you as well. Thank you to my followers for me on my travel adventures across America. So definitely spread the word. I'm going to be the first person to go to every city, town, and village. Yes, every city, town, and village in the state of Illinois. So spread the word. Let everybody know, even the essential workers. Our essential workers working hard out there, definitely. So other than that, like spread the word. This is CJ the Traveling Man, letting you know we made a stop here in Pana, Illinois, and we are on our way to the next town. So like I said, I'm going to be the first ever in the United States of America to go to every city, town, and village. Yes, every city, town, and village. Spread the word. Let everybody know, your mom, your dad, your brother, fire department, police department, you name it. CJ will be making a stop in your town.